Hey everyone, I know it's been a while since I last posted, but I have a couple recipes for you guys to try. Now, I kind of made like a Mediterranean inspired meal, so I'm gonna let you know what's on the menu. We got Greek salad, roasted lemon potatoes, we have couscous. You can do any sort of pasta, whole grain type of thing, but I decided to do couscous because I love couscous. And then I also have some lamb sausage and also a homemade tzatziki that you're gonna be like, wow, I can't believe that this is really easy to make. So keep watching. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else, and stay safe out there. We know what's going on when we're going to be back in business, but let's make the most of it. Try something new, try a new hobby, start cooking, you know. Now let's get into it because we got a lot going on here.
All right, so I decided to kind of just, prepare everything off camera just because I felt it would help me out a little bit and kind of get through this process a little quicker, which I recommend that you guys do just because this went by so quick when I had everything on hand. And yeah, I definitely think that you guys should do that too. Have your little mise en place, which means, everything in its place. So yeah, and then these are the seasonings, and again, everything will be listed below. And yeah, I'm just using another shot of everything that I prepared. Yep, moving that cucumber. So let's get started with the potatoes. So what I did was I kind of cut them into like thin wedges, and I let them soak in water, and then I patted them dry. What this does, it gives it more of a crispier texture when you roast them. So definitely soak them, like I would say for like 10-15 minutes, and then just make sure you pat them dry when you put them on the tray. Also, just so you guys are aware, I used about 6 lemons for this whole recipe. So you'll see that I'm going to be using those 2 small bowls with the zest and the juice. And I kind of just use it for everything that I'm making because we have a lot of little side dishes. So just keep that in mind. And also, you should just keep some of the lemons, put them in the tray. What I like to do is I like to squeeze it like midway, kind of just sprinkle it. I feel like the oils and the leftover juice from the lemon kind of gives it more flavor. So definitely don't throw them out, use them, and yeah, throw them in the oven. And while our potatoes are roasting, we're going to get started with the Greek salad. This is the most easiest and simple side dish that we're going to be making. So you want to make it first and then let it chill in the fridge. Okay, Greek salad done. Now we're gonna get started with our tzatziki. You're gonna need about half of the cucumber, and honestly, what you can do is you can save the rest of that cucumber. You can put it in your water, save it for the next salad that you're gonna be making. Don't throw that out. Save your produce. Now I'm using a cheesecloth here just because I had that on hand, but you can actually use like a small little dish towel if you want as well. Alright guys, so this is the final stretch. You want to add some olive oil to a saute pan and also to a small pot. We are going to be toasting the couscous in the olive oil. So while we got that toasting, we are gonna add some shallots and garlic to the pan. Just so you guys know, I used a mandolin to cut up the garlic and the shallots, and it made my life so much more easier. I definitely recommend that you guys get one as well, because that just cut my cooking time in half. So just a little tip for you guys out there. And now you want to add in your red bell pepper. Here I'm just showing you the little bits of couscous that are toasted. They're kind of like a light brown. And yeah, I mean, that's going to give a great texture to your couscous. So I definitely recommend that you do that beforehand. Next, we're going to add in the lamb sausage and also the harissa paste. For the lamb sausage, we're going to be using the same seasonings as the couscous, but we're going to add in some coriander, ground coriander as well. And make sure to use the back of your spoon to break down the sausage as well. And now we're going to be reaching that 20-minute mark. So we're going to take the potatoes out, give them a little turn, and then we're going to let the lamb sausage cook for about like 10 minutes. Now after about 10 minutes, you're going to add in your chickpeas and just let that cook for about an additional like 5 minutes. Now once we add in our chickpeas, we should be about done with the couscous. I've been letting it cook for 10 minutes as the packaging said. So just make sure you follow the instructions on your packaging because it could be different. So yeah, that should be done. You can turn off the heat. And now what we're adding is some feta cheese, lemon juice, and lemon zest to the sausage. And then you could just turn on the heat and you're pretty much all set. Everything's finished and all you're going to do is just plate up everything and that's it. Once you give it a final stir, you're pretty much good to go and you can plate up everything. And now you have this beautiful Mediterranean spread. Definitely gonna wow your family and friends because it's definitely a little bit more adventurous. And I also have some parsley and lemon zest that I just garnished with everything. And that's it.
I'm gonna show you how to make an ultimate pita pocket sandwich. I don't know. Alright. So this is how we're gonna fill up our pita. Yeah, okay. Let's create a little wall of lemon potatoes, you know? Yeah, secure. Okay. Whoa. Focus. Alright, you see that. Alright. Now, we're gonna take some couscous. Make sure those little suckers go to the bottom. Not a good idea with a fork, but whatever. Alright. You don't want to fill it too much. So, there you go. Alright. Let's take some lamb sausage. Alright. Get that liquid in there. Alright, not too much. Fuck. Okay. There you go. Alright. What else? Greek salad. Just a little topping, you know. We don't... Oh, lost a good one out there. Okay. After that, I'm gonna take some tzatziki. Oh, alright. And then one more in the middle. Like that. See that? Wow, look at, oh. Look at that. Wait. Look at this beautiful creation. Alright. Alright, here we go. It's gonna be a messy one, but okay. Okay. Clean up on aisle 4. Wow. I really outdid myself.
Yeah, you did, dude.
I got that 5.
It looks amazing. My stomach's gargling.
It's a mukbang now, you know? Because I'm talking and I'm eating. Okay. Try this recipe out. You are gonna love it. I know I do. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about it, and I'll see you in the next one. Fire. It's fire. No doubt. Yep. A mess.